Hey folks, welcome back to the Big Seed YouTube channel. I am Big Seed, and we're gonna do a vlog today because it's fun. We're gonna stop making that popping noise with my mouth somehow. I don't know why I do that. Just left my folks, my mom's house. Got my laundry. Yeah, I'm 45 years old. She still does my laundry. It's awesome. And right now, headed back to the APT. We're gonna go get my motorcycle. We're gonna take it for a ride. So once we get there, I'll get back with you. Just like that, folks, we're back in the hood. There's my mailbox. Dumpster. I don't know if you saw that or not. It's full of speed bumps too. It's fun. So anyway, we're pulling up over here. My garage is just around the way. We'll pull up and park. Okay, folks, so bad news. That's what a dead battery on a motorcycle sounds like. So we're gonna have to figure out how to jump start the thing. So that might be fun. Let's try. Okay, with the seat off, the battery is way down in there underneath the shock. And there's no possible way to get jumper cables on it. So we're gonna have to do something different. Okay, folks, we're back. First thing I have to do is change that light bulb. But as I stand here looking, I can't reach it, so I'm gonna have to stand on something. Gordo, got the speaker here. Hopefully it'll hold me. Light bulb, check. Guess what else we got, folks? Got some new stuff here. Got us a motorcycle battery charger. Looks like that. So we're gonna hook this up to it. And hopefully, we'll get him charged up. All right, so now we got this cord. We gotta plug it in right up here. Okay, that end's plugged in. Now we plug this end in and see what happens. Well, we got a green light. Solid green means charging. And I wouldn't be me if I didn't try to start it, so Yeah, it's not gonna do it. All right, so I'm just gonna leave that on there for about an hour and we'll come back and check it later. Okay, bye. Of course, now I got the garage door unplugged, so the opener unplugged, so now I gotta do it manually. Okay. Hey folks, it's been about an hour. I put the charger on, so now we're gonna go back and see. Also, I'm trying something new. I've got this body cam here. I'm gonna wear that while we're on the motorcycle, so we'll see what kind of shots we can get. So, bye. Okay, folks, so an hour wasn't long enough, so we're just going to leave it on overnight, I guess, and then we'll come back tomorrow and try again. Let's try that. No is the answer. Okay. All right, well, here we go again. Okay, folks, so that was a bust. We're gonna leave him charging overnight, and we'll come back tomorrow, I guess, and see if it'll start. Okay, bye. Hey folks, what's happening? It's been a couple of days now. We're gonna go back and check on the motorcycle, see how progress is coming along, and see if the battery's charged up, see if it'll start. Of course, it's crappy out here today, so we're not gonna get to ride it, but we'll at least know if it'll start. So let's see, we got to get this back up there. Check. So I'm stupid, people. I forgot my key. But luckily, I can enter my PIN number. Of course, I'm not going to show y'all my PIN number. All you do is you hit the blinker buttons, and then it moves it. And then if you get it right, it'll let you start it. And here we go. Yay! Okay, well that's done. I'm gonna set her and let her run a little bit, and we'll just go from there. So if I don't do anything else today, bye.